10, 9, ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Try to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Welcome back to Thai Kicks for the first review of the year, and to kick it all off we've got the Space Voyager collaboration with NASA and VANS in the true white colourway old school low model. So the box isn't anything fancy, this is the box and it's just a typical VANS box really, and I haven't done a VANS review on Thai Kicks, but I do really like VANS. They are something that I used to rock quite a lot when I was a little bit younger, and I'm not saying I'm old, but I did used to wear them a few years back. But this is something that really interested me. They haven't done a collaboration probably as good since Peanuts collaboration, and I couldn't really pull off some of those colorways. They did do a range of 4 shoes, including 2 high tops, and they did 2 lows, 1 in orange and 1 in white. And this was the one I picked up in a UK 9.5. So let's get the shoe out of the box. So as you saw at the beginning, this is the old school NASA collab, and it is really cool. Like honestly, the minute I first saw this, I was like, I need this. And it really did sell out quick online when it first dropped. Now there's been numerous restocks, and you may come across pairs of them in some of the VANS stores and in some of the Foot Locker stores close to me. Had some still sitting in Birmingham in the UK. But for me, I really wanted to get hold of this shoe because it's just super cool for a nerd, and I am probably that, to be totally truthful. So let's go over the materials. So the upper is comprised predominantly of a really nice high quality leather material. You've got the typical old school silhouette in general, but with a few differences. One of the biggest ones that you can see is that the sole is slightly different, with this space suit kind of look around the toe area and also around the rear heel portion of the shoe. You can see in detail that it has these ridges that run all the way around the outside edge of the shoe's front and rear part of the sole. Also on the back of the shoe is this massive USA patch, which is obviously to celebrate the fact that NASA is a US based space agency, but it's removable. So if you want to change it to something more to do with your country, if you really want it, you can. I've seen plenty of people replace these with UK flags. Maybe not Russian flags, it'd be a bit strange probably, but nevertheless it is totally your call. The VANS off the wall logo is in red on the back of the heel, and the sock liner area is totally unfinished, totally exposing the foam round the cuff of the shoe. Inside the shoe there is some really cool detailing, which is almost like space schematics, something that was the blueprints for certain space missions in the 60s when the space race was kicking off, something to do with NASA in general, something that gives this obviously that added appeal for being a really full-blown collaboration with NASA. And then finally, which is really obvious and really loud on the side of the shoe, we've got the NASA branding on the side, and it says NASA National Aeronautics and Space Administration, John F. Kennedy Space Center. The laces on the shoe are a really pure true white, and the tongue on the shoe is like a really strong mesh grey material, which is really cool, and then has a little tag on each side, one that says shuttle and the other that says mission. It even has a little hole punch through the top of it to give it that collaboration feel. The sole has some multiple different colours on it. You've got anything from a light gum down to a dark kind of gum, all in kind of different tones of brown. And all the lace loops are all in a really nicely painted white. One little extra thing that's pretty concealed, but you have to take a good look at the shoe to notice it, is that it has the words on the inside of the shoe that says, "For the benefit of all." Fitting wise, the shoe fits true to size. If you bought Vans before, it will be your normal Vans size. Now that was it. That was the review of the NASA Vans Space Voyager low in the true white colourway. Now, I think it's time for an on foot. If you like the channel and really enjoy some of the content that I've been producing over the last couple of years, please don't forget to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel. I really hope that you liked the video from last week, and there's going to be more coming in the near future.